Mara, a long-established engineering company, recently introduced 3 new thermal management components inspired directly by nature. These components show how far biomimetic engineering has progressed, but their deeper significance lies in how they were designed. For most of human history, nature's solutions could only be admired from a distance. They were too complex to copy. Today, however, advances in simulation technology, machine learning, and manufacturing are allowing engineers to study biological structures, reshape them, and use them in practical machines. These developments are forming the early stages of a bionic revolution. Thermal management has become one of the hardest challenges in modern electric powertrains. Electric vehicles depend on precise cooling across batteries, motors, inverters, and support electronics. Heat builds up quickly and can damage components or reduce performance. Traditional cooling systems rely on straight channels, uniform fans, and simple shapes. Nature, by contrast, uses curved surfaces, branching networks, and quiet aerodynamic features refined over millions of years. Mara decided to adopt these natural ideas and push them further with the help of AI-accelerated engineering. The first new component is shaped after the hydrodynamic fin of a penguin. Penguins move gracefully through dense water with minimal drag, thanks to fins that split and guide flow with surprising smoothness. Engineers studied this form and used it to design a new air blower. The second component follows the logic of river deltas and coral formations. These natural structures divide and guide water into balanced paths, even after many branching points. Mara used this idea to create a battery cooling plate with branching channels that distribute coolant evenly across thousands of cells. The third component takes inspiration from owl wings. Owls fly silently because the fine structure of their feathers breaks up turbulent airflow. This principle was adapted to create a quieter and more efficient auxiliary cooling fan. Copying these natural structures was not possible with traditional tools. Biological forms often include twisting curves, tapered geometries, tiny ridges, and subtle transitions that heavily influence how fluids behave. Even small changes in shape can dramatically alter airflow or coolant distribution. In the past, engineers avoided such shapes because simulating them took too long. Even when powerful computers existed, running full computational fluid dynamics (CFD) models on organic geometries required huge amounts of time and money. As a result, earlier biomimetic projects were either simplified or abandoned. The situation changed when machine learning entered the simulation pipeline. Modern AI-accelerated CFD combines physics-based solvers with learned models that act as fast predictive tools. Instead of running full simulations from scratch, engineers can train a surrogate model using a limited set of high-accuracy simulations. The surrogate learns the relationship between shape and performance. Once trained, it can evaluate new designs at much greater speed. This creates the freedom to explore millions of variations rather than a few dozen. Nature's complexity makes this approach essential. For example, the leading edge of a penguin fin may look simple, but tiny modifications can change noise levels, turbulence, or pressure loss. A human engineer could guess some improvements, but not all of them. With machine learning-driven prediction, the system can test different curves, textures, and thicknesses. It can detect patterns that do not appear obvious at first glance. Over many cycles, the model directs the search towards geometries that perform better, cutting down on wasted iterations. This is the key difference between old and new methods. Traditional design required engineers to manually choose the next experiment. They had to guess which shape to test next and wait for a slow simulation to finish. The AI-assisted method allows the system to recommend the next best shape automatically. It reduces trial and error and speeds up every step. It also allows engineers to handle natural forms without simplifying them. Mara used internal AI tools and worked with Neural Concept, a company specializing in AI-first engineering, to develop the penguin-inspired blower. Engineers gave the system performance targets and physical constraints. They also included initial bionic concepts based on penguin fins. The AI copilot then began predicting performance, shape by shape. More than 30 million multi-curve variations were evaluated. Each iteration measured aerodynamics, noise behavior, and overall efficiency. Over time, the system narrowed the possibilities to one design with extremely low pressure loss. When the prototype was built, the blower reduced noise by around 60% and improved efficiency by roughly 15%. The coral-inspired cooling plate followed a similar process. The branching structure of corals and river deltas shows how natural channels divide flow evenly across wide surfaces. Mara used AI generative design to create channels that mimic these networks. The result was a plate that spreads coolant across thousands of battery cells without creating uneven temperature zones. Cooling performance increased. Pressure losses dropped by around 20%. Material use fell by about 15%, which also reduced weight. Without generative design, the plate's complex and organic channel system would have been nearly impossible to engineer by hand. The OWL-inspired auxiliary fan used terabytes of CFD data to train a model that predicts how blade shape influences airflow and noise. Owls are known for silent flight. Their wings create smooth, controlled flow that avoids harsh turbulence. Reproducing this effect in a fan required precise adjustments to blade edges and angles. The AI model identified which shapes produced less noise without reducing performance. The final fan was lighter, 10% more efficient, and 4 decibels quieter than its conventional counterpart. This improvement has real-world benefits. For example, truck drivers resting while their vehicles charge can now rely on cooling fans that run with less disruption. These advances show that AI is finally making it possible to transfer biological genius into engineering components. Neural Concept argues that AI gives engineers freedom to explore ideas that were once too slow to simulate or too complex to build. But this progress also relies on changes in manufacturing. Modern components with curved surfaces, hollow structures, and organic branching patterns cannot be made with older methods. New materials and industrial 3D printing techniques fill this gap. Mara's vice president, Martin Bergerer, has explained that the company constantly keeps up with new manufacturing technologies. As one example, Mara used 3D printing to make pistons for the Porsche GT2 RS. The same methods allow complex structures in electric motors and thermal management modules. These manufacturing tools turn AI-generated shapes into real components without losing detail. Mara has been in the engineering world for over a century. The company originally became known for lightweight pistons used in engines. Over time, it expanded beyond combustion engines and entered areas related to electric mobility. Today, the firm still manufactures engine components, but also designs systems that improve electric vehicle reliability and efficiency. During the IAA conference, Mara's leadership emphasized that these new products are not theoretical. They are ready for series production and address real challenges faced by customers. The company also announced orders for thermal management systems worth 1.5 billion euros. These orders include the coral-inspired battery cooling plate and the owl-inspired fan. A major shift is underway in the way engineers approach nature-based design. Instead of attempting to fully explain nature's performance, engineers now rely on data-rich simulations to evolve designs. This move resembles nature's own process. Evolution works by producing countless variations and allowing the best ones to survive. AI enables engineering teams to replicate this process digitally. Thousands or millions of variants can be tested. The system keeps the top performers and discards the rest. This merging of biology, AI, advanced computing, and modern manufacturing is creating a powerful synergy. Each discipline strengthens the others. Nature provides starting points. Simulations explore options. AI filters thousands of ideas into a few strong candidates. Manufacturing turns those candidates into real products. Together, these forces address inefficiencies that traditional design could not overcome. The progress seen in these 3 biomimetic components signals a wider transformation. As tools become more advanced, engineers will be able to explore more biological patterns, test more shapes, and create more efficient systems. Instead of simplifying nature, they can finally embrace its complexity. Biomimetic design is shifting from a curiosity into an industrial technique. AI is the link that makes the connection practical. These advances show how engineering is changing. Nature supplies powerful ideas. AI explores them at high speed, and modern manufacturing turns them into real components. Together, they create systems that are lighter, quieter, and more efficient than traditional designs. As electric vehicles grow more advanced, improvements in thermal management will play a major role in performance and reliability. Mara's work demonstrates that embracing nature's complexity can unlock practical solutions for the next generation of mobility.